Hey y'all, it's Janai, and obviously this voiceover does not match up with what I am saying in this video because I accidentally used the wrong cord for my microphone and basically it did not pick up any of the sound. As you guys could tell by the title, today I'm going to be showing you how I added this little pop of purple color to this wig. I will have the information on the wig and the dye and all that in the description box below. I also talked about how this is a glueless wig, but since I wanted to have this part of my hair behind my ear, I did glue the wig down like halfway across my head, really only on the part where like that you could see showing. I also mentioned how I tried to dye the whole wig, but the part that I left natural and did not bleach did not pick up any of the color. So you're gonna see in this video that all of the hair has dye on it, but I'm only gonna show the part where I'm dyeing the blonde part because that's the only part that actually picked up color. Honestly, I forgot what else I said. Maybe you can read lips, I don't know, but if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now, and if you're interested, just stay tuned. Okay, so I used bleach and 30 volume developer, and right now all I'm doing is parting the sections that I am going to bleach in the front, and I literally am just gonna apply the bleach to those parts only. And you want to try to make sure that you thoroughly, get in the piece of hair, because it's easy to like skip over a lot of strands of hair and then it'll come out really patchy. So yeah, just make sure that you're really getting in there and getting to the roots. Also, obviously, as you see, I don't have on gloves. I would recommend wearing gloves. I just don't usually wear gloves because it's easier for me to like maneuver the dye and bleach and all of that with my fingers, especially when I'm trying to like get close to the roots and stuff like that. Okay, so here's how it looks right before I'm about to rinse it out. As you can see, it already started lifting, and here's how it looks after I rinsed it out. And I'm literally just going to follow that same process all over again with the patch of hairs that I just did, because as you guys can see, you can still see some black strands, and on top of that, I want it lighter so that the color can be more vibrant. Once again, here's how it looks before I rinse it. You see it's way lighter, and now here's how it looks after I rinse that out again. And now I'm just going to dye it. I'm going to be using this Arctic Fox Purple Rain dye, and like I said in the beginning of this video, I did apply this dye all over the head because I was hoping that the virgin natural brown hair color would at least be a little bit tinted, since this is one of Arctic Fox's most pigmented colors, but it wasn't. So like I said, I'm only showing you guys the part where I applied the color to what I lightened. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just applying the dye. You want to make sure that you try not to get the dye on the lace, because that'll show and that'll be hard to get out. And then like I said, I'm not using gloves. I would definitely recommend using gloves for this part, because this took a little while for it to come off my fingers. But like I said, it's easier for me to use than like a brush, because I can get closer to the roots without getting it on the lace and stuff like that. But I mean, that's your choice. I would recommend using gloves though. Okay, so like I told y'all in the beginning of this video, my microphone just didn't pick up any of my sound. So basically what I said was, after I washed out the hair and styled it and flat ironed it and everything, this is how it came out. In the last video, which I'll include in this video, I showed how I flat ironed it and everything. So if you want to see that part, you can click on that video. Other than that, you can just follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten if you're not already, if you want to see pictures or anything. If you have any questions or anything like that, just comment below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.